children, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 2nd. Okay, so in the previous lecture we have completed our chapter number 13. Okay, so now we are moving further with our new lesson using with. Okay, so now in this chapter we have to learn how to use with and in the sentence where we can use a with to make a proper sentences. Okay. Okay, now see here, first of all, definition. What is it on the page number 65? See, the preposition with is used in different ways. Okay, now the preposition, ये जो with है, that is known as the preposition. So where we can use this with in different ways that we have to see. Okay, in the sentences below, the word with means making use of or using, means which are the sentences given below here. So you have to use with in that sentences. Okay, clear up till here? Okay, now see what is the next one. Here we have given some of the pictures and we have to see the pictures and make the sentences. Okay, first of all see the example here. What is the first one? Tanya is painting dash a brush. Okay, now here you can see a picture. What is written? Tanya is painting like this it is written, painting with a brush. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमको dash दी हुई है. Okay, so we have to use with, but हम कहाँ use कर सकते हैं हमको वो देखना है. Okay, Tanya is painting with a brush. Tanya painting कर रही है but किससे? Brush से. Okay, you can see in the picture how she is painting. See this one. Okay, so how can we know that here we have to use with? Because here it is given a sentence. Okay, here it is given a word of brush. So she is painting but with what? With a brush. Okay, clear? Now see what is the second example. Girl is eating dash with fork or knife. Girl is eating fork and knife. Okay, here we have given two things, fork and knife. Okay, clear? Girl is eating dash fork and knife. वो किससे खा रहा है? Fork से and knife से. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? Will use with. समझ आया? कैसे करेंगे? Girl is eating with fork and knife. Clear? Now see what is the next. Here what is the heading? See, look at the pictures and complete the sentences using with. We have to see the pictures and we have to complete the sentence. Okay, now see what is the first picture. What a girl is doing? She is washing her hand. Yes, वो soap से अपने hand wash कर रही है. Okay, see what is the first sentence given. Shayla is washing her hands dash. वो किससे hands wash कर रही है? soap से, right? तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? देखो, Shayla is washing her hands with soap. Clear? Like this. With a soap. Understood? Shayla is washing her hands with a soap. यहाँ पे हमने with a soap क्यों लिखा? Because she is washing with soap. Yes or no? Soap से wash कर रही है. So with a soap. Understood? Like this we will make. Clear? Now see second number. Arnav is playing. Then it is given dash. We have to complete. Now see what Arnav is doing. What a boy is doing in second picture. See, he is playing, right? Okay, so with the ball he is playing. So Arnav is playing. Now what will add? Which preposition? With. With. Now with what he is playing? He is playing with a ball. Understood how we will write? Okay, now see what is the third number. Tarun is writing dash. Okay, now what Tarun is doing, see. With what he is writing? He is writing with the pen. Okay, so वो पेन से लिख रहा है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Tarun is writing. What will add next? हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? With. Okay, W-I-T-H, with. Tarun is writing with what he is writing? He is writing with a pen. Okay, so Tarun is writing with W-I-T-H और pen. Pen का spelling क्या होता है? P-E-N. Clear? Now see next. Leela combed her hair dash. What is the question? Leela combed her hair dash. Okay, so what she is doing? See, in this picture, see what is doing? She is combing her hair. किससे comb कर रही है? Comb से. Yes or no? Yes. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Again से Leela combed her hair. क्या यूज करेंगे हम? With a किससे कर रही है? Comb से. Yes, she is doing comb with her comb. Okay, comb से वो अपने hair comb कर रही है. So Leela combed her hair with a comb. Clear? Yes. Now see next. The girls are cutting paper. Okay, so girls are cutting paper. Now see what the girls are doing. They are cutting paper, but किससे cut कर रहे हैं? Scissor से. Yes. So what will write? The girls are cutting paper. Now what will use? We'll use with. Okay, with a scissor. Clear? The girls are cutting paper with a scissor. Clear? Okay, now see sixth number. Charu is cleaning the blackboard. What a Charu is doing? Cleaning a blackboard. But with what? With the duster. Duster से board clean कर रही है. Yes. So हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Charu is cleaning the blackboard. With किसे? With a duster. Duster का spelling क्या होता है? D-U-S-T-E-R. Understood up till here? Okay children, so we have completed up till page 66. We will meet in our next lecture. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.